Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, the new day with the new restaurants review. So, let's go with us. Today we are going to Shahi Marani, one of the top Indian restaurant in Singapore. So, just entered the Raffle City Mall and reached at third level. One more thing, if you want to go shopping, then this is the really nice place. These instructions make easy for everyone to find restaurants. Look at the entrance. I really like the entrance statue and especially the Lord Ganesha statue. Now we go inside. So look at the whole ambience. It's nice and royal as you can see that. Restaurant is quite spacious and I like those restaurant little bit more who have more space. Yeah, then you can talk freely and you don't have to bother for other person. Haha, it's just my personal choice. This is really good for any family get together, any office party. As you can see, there is a ladies kitty party going on like that. That's what I am saying. Another thing is special about this restaurant is live music was playing every day before COVID, but now it has been stopped. So I really hope and pray that it will start soon. Okay, now we settle down and it's time to taste the food. One thing I want to mention here that we choose the buffet option here, and this option is for weekdays only from Monday to Friday. One important cheese I want to mention here, the buffet option is pretty low in case you think quantity is looking really less. Haha. Restaurant first served tomato soup, which was common for veg and non-veg. Then in appetizer, in veg we got paneer tikka, cauliflower and onion pakoda, and in non-veg, cauliflower and onion pakoda is common with fish kebab. Let's talk about the tomato soup. Tomato soup is nice, but the kebab is awesome. Paneer was quite fresh and moist. Yeah, even I just asked my husband also how about the non-vegetarian option, and he said it's nice. So now we move into main course.
Vegetarian, three non-veg,
Okay,
roti basket, and rice.
rice.
Enjoy.
Thank you. In the main course, in veg, we got paneer butter masala, curry, veg kofta. And in the non-veg, we got fish curry, chicken handi, rogan josh mutton. After tasting all the dishes, I can say that each dish has its own authentic flavor. My personal favorite is curry and paneer butter masala. And I asked my husband about non-veg dish, then he said the same thing. All the non-veg dishes cooked very well and spices all well balanced. So overall, thumbs up from our side and a must try even if you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. How can I miss sweet dish? Is my personal favorite part of the meal. I must say, if you want to have Indian food in Singapore, then this place is a must try. So time to give the rating. For on table servicing, I'm just giving 8 out of 10. An additional one more point because the staff is really nice and they have clicked very nice picture for both of us. Second, the ambience is 8 out of 10 and for the food is 9 out of 10. One, I'm not giving 10 on 10. I think there is always a scope for betterment. I just mentioned all the other information and restaurant link on my description box. You can go and check out. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and please share your comments. Thank you. Bye. See you soon in my next video.